Granger's killed another one.
You are a f***ing
So here we are, we're about to cause some absolute chaos. Tony's going to get very upset in this video. It's all about having fun, but first things first, very quickly, you might have seen a couple of videos about this, simply Black Friday, people go crazy, whole bunch of cyber deals, all that sort of stuff, and I'm going to link this spreadsheet down below for anybody wanting to pick up some stuff, but all you need to do, check out these links, the description, it'll be in the description down below, check them out, see if they've got a coupon code or anything like that, go through, see if you want to pick anything up, make sure you check the warehouse, all that sort of stuff, but the only 4 things I really want to talk about today in this one before we go out and absolutely make Tony lose his mind is we've got the EV300Ds at $279. That one seems to be a pretty good bargain right there. The On-Way Commander, they're on pre-order as well. The On-Way Commanders, I can't believe they're getting cheaper and cheaper every day. $169, which is ridiculous. And then for anybody else, we've got the Furious 2.4 gigahertz system. So maybe think about checking that out if you want to do some long range, which is pretty good value at 37 bucks. And the other one, you're going to be seeing a lot of these in this video. This is the Sonic model AR wings, and at $55 or $54, these things are an absolute blast. So anyway, that is the Black Friday deals. This is going to be in the description down below. But let's do it now. Go have some fun with our friends.
Alrighty, Cal, here's your first FPV wing flight in how long?
About 6 years.
Okay.
Oh, FP wing, about 3 years. All right, let's give it a go. All right.
Oh.
easy. Superstar. Plug it in.
I think you need to concentrate a little bit more, Cal.
Smart ass.
What's it like, Cal?
It's like really crappy flying racing quad. So I'm not sure if this one's really dialed in. It seems a bit rough, it's like it needs a little bit more weight in the nose and everything, but it's all right.
All right, Tony's going. Now we're just, wait, hang on, no, Granger, wait, we've got another one going up.
What are the rates like? I do a...
Yeah, do a roll.
Oh,
Oh, you cut his streamer.
Nice.
while I was rolling.
In that roll.
Oh look, you got a bit of pink streamer on ya.
Tony, you've stolen his streamer.
Oh. I don't know. What fuck tree?
Bloody useless.
What tree was that?
I'm coming up.
Did you see what tree?
Yeah, is your GoPro going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know what tree it is?
The front yard.
Where are you, Cal? Down.
Are you up, Shannon?
Coming in towards us now. From the top paddock.
From which way?
From the top paddock.
He's coming over our head now. Alright. Granger, see if you can cut Cal's streamer.
I will try. Not much,
But not when it's over our head, and not when it's over the cars.
try to stay smooth.
Oh, he got it! You smashed it!
Got me.
Yeah, you smashed the streamer off.
Oh, I'm going down. I'm down, boys. I'm down.
See the streamer floating down?
Pulling down.
Granger, you are... Yep. So look, stop. You are pretty much... See that little tuft of yellow in the middle where there's the thicker post in the fence?
Yeah.
Just to the right of that.
Just to the right.
Yeah, about a metre or two to the right.
Okay. Just spraying at the edge of going,
Yeah.
If I'm all good, I'm going to keep...
What do you reckon, Cal?
Not bad.
It's pretty fun, isn't it? It's different.
Stalled it.
Nice recovery.
I'm going to do that on purpose. See if I can go right up. This one's all trimmed up a bit rough, isn't it?
It's just beat up, mate, and they're so not smooth.
Even when they are perfect out of the box. A little bit of a breeze, you're wobbling around everywhere, aren't you?
Tony, do you want to lead the lap?
Yeah, okay.
Or Cal?
No, let me just form up on Cal. I can see Cal.
All right.
Where are they, Stu?
Left over the cars. Everyone head left over the cars. Cal's coming over our heads now, going towards the field. So bank. Get him, get him, get him.
I will.
All right, now group up on Calvin.
Guys, try not to go so far over this tree over here.
Yeah, start banking left now. A gentle bank left. Gentle bank left. Tony, he's doing a loop.
Wait, where's Tony?
So you're on him.
Is that him?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, get him.
Fuck him up.
Big. Go. Oh, Calvin's punching him.
Close, Cal.
Oh, Granger's cut his streamers. Oh, he's cut some of the plane off. You legend. Get him, get him.
My back. Is this him?
Tony's coming below you right now. He's going towards the cars. Remember the batteries?
15 volts, that's still got a wireless for us, isn't it?
I mean Granger's quad. Jesus, there's stuff everywhere in the sky. What volts are you on, Granger?
Turn left.
Tony, come on, you got to go a bit slower, mate. Otherwise Granger's not going to get you.
Oh, he's trying to hit me again.
Oh, I need another pack. This pack's dead. I need another pack.
Oh! Not over the cars. As in like Granger, people can fly over the cars, but don't attack people over the cars.
Right.
Tony's just b***ing out and punching it away as fast as he can.
No, I'm just flying low because Granger's going to have to come at me from the ground.
Mate, easy. Where is he? Oh, there. It's like when you got a good cliff and you got the updraft, it's good fun to do combat at line of sight.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Yeah.
Yes! Yes! Great job, well done!
That was decisive. That is the best dog you want. Yeah.
Show me the damage. Yes, high five, well done.
Tony.
You chewed my fucking out.
Sorry.
What's the front look like? Ah, that'll buff right out. Look at the wingtips.
Where's my camera gone? Oh, Granger! Granger!
That was your fault. You're in my way. I was trying to go.
Where's my camera gone? That was a good one too.
What colour is it? Don't say green.
Black.
That's just as bad.
Where?
So I would have gone down back here. Where's the nose? It'll be where the nose is.
Oh, I feel bad for Tony now though.
What? You feel bad for Tony?
Yeah.
Tony.
Oh, that was funny. What are you looking for? Oh, you found it, I think.
This camera, these noses over the other side.
Every time I hit him, I can see my camera, bits of foam like flicking off.
Right, Granger, the challenge. Tony's got our little mid-air gate up there, and you've got to go through it. Oh, you cut it.
Oh, I broke it! Oh,
Shannon, you're way out in front, man.
I already did it though.
Who was that?
I got it on GoPro.
I'm going black. I've just lost everything.
Oh, I got you. I watched you.
You're down. You're
I've
gone.
got you.
You're dead.
No,
You're
I'm
dead.
watching. I'm circling
Hit the
you.
ground.
I watched you. I'm circling you. Oh, I know exactly what I know. That's why this was beeping at me, because I've got no FPV.
No. That'd say low battery.
FPV went.
Yeah, that's still good. This is Calvin. Ready? I'm gonna do an impression here.
Let's just do a slow my goggles next to us. All right, ready?
Your goggles are flat.
Stu.
What? Oh, nice.
No, my goggles.
Oh, someone's down. Yeah. Granger's killed another one.
You are a fucking.
This was Calvin. I'm down, I can't see. Where am I? He's moving the sticks around like a 5-year-old.
Oh, that's what instinct. You got to go quickly to line it up. Save it.
I know exactly where you are. You just go up on the fence and walk up on the fence line.
I was just hoping someone saw where I went down.
Yeah, I did.
Everything just started fading out, just faded to black within 3 seconds.
It's probably a low battery then, maybe.
Oh, I had 15 volts, I don't know.
Oh,
Look at this eagle.
God, you wouldn't want to lose your micro in here, would you? Oh, Jesus.
That's the only advantage of having a wing, I guess. It'd be a bit easier to find.
Like, that's a big one. Calvin, what's that look for? What's happened?
Oh, nothing you can't fix, Stu.
Well, that's not true, because can you read this first?
If at first you don't succeed, Jono will hot glue it and try fly again.
Yeah, so we don't have to fix this. That's Jono's job.
Good on you, Jono. Totally fixable, mate.
Mate, we could just put that together right now with a bit of tape. That's it.
Is there anything missing?
Yes, put a little silver weight that I had in here. So, where was it?
Right here.
Here it is, just here.
Well done.
Perfect.
Wow, what is that?
That's off a little stand that has an alligator clip in it.
Why don't you just use that little piece of lead?
I don't know, because I found that and it fits.
That when you f***ing hit me yet.
Do a landing with FPV, because you always do them line of sight.
Catch it while you got FPV on.
Oh, cartwheel freak.
That is dog. Oh.
What happened then, Tony?
Stu's in a terrorist mood today.
Still flying, no?
I don't know how it's still flying.
Rightio, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit different and it was just carnage, getting out there, having fun, and you can see it was nothing but smiles for the whole time, meeting up with the crew. And for me, that's what FPV is all about. I know we didn't do reviews or break anything down in this video. We did do a lot of breaking though, but for me, yeah, just get out there, flying with your friends, having a good time. That's why FPV is so important. The fun you can have with this thing, getting out with your mates, it really is life-changing, and you know, days like this, very, very special for me. So I'd love to know, what's the most fun FPV you've ever had when you're out? What have you been doing? What are some of the crazy stories? All that sort of stuff. Other than that, subscribe for more FPV related content. And if you watched all the way to the end, I'm going to say, have you considered signing up to my Patreon? We're doing a 1,000 people Patreon push lately. So I'm trying to get 1,000 Patreon supporters and helping me share this message of FPV. So showing people, just like in this video, how fun it can be and get more people flying. So anyway, that link's going to be down below. Subscribe for more FPV related content. And as always, happy flying. And sorry, Tony, that we kind of kept wrecking your wing.
Is it alright? I didn't even mean to hit you.